Hi there, this is Serge, and we already created our first React app, and today I'm going to show you how to run it right inside of VS Code window. So whenever you want to update something, you're going to see results live, and it's quite good for development and debugging. So we would need, for that, we just would need two things. We just need to run terminal, and for terminal, we just show up in the first React app directory. I'm going to check what is inside, so we can go to my app, change directory to that, and here we need to use the command from our package.json file, yarn start. So this is here. Last time we've used yarn test to run all the tests in our app. In that case, it'll just test.tsx, but now we use start this classical to start our app. When we press that, we say that, for instance, something is already using this. This is quite popular whenever you have the other apps running. So in this case, we just shouldn't be scared. We just press Y and that's it. In this case, we're gonna have this app running on the port 3001, for instance. So we copy that URL and we can put it definitely in our browser. We can just highlight again. It's gonna command click gonna move us to the browser, but we want to see it right here. Okay, and to do that, we just need our quick find panel, and we need to run command for that. I already have simple browser show command available from this list, but then you just can type it simple browser, and you're gonna see it here. Just press here, and the second question is just input URL, and so we already have it. So it's localhost 3001, and we run it, and voila, we have our application running just right here. And so whenever we want to change something, for instance, we can go to app, and for instance, we can open it up to the side. In this case, we just can see the browser, the result, and our app. And for instance, here we're gonna, if we just update this with search, and we're gonna update that, and we see this instantly in the one of the moment. We just see it here, so it's quite convenient. If you want to update something, change something, like we just, for instance, here we have app logo, class name, for instance, we can play with the size here in app CSS. App logo, for instance, we have 20 seconds. We can do it like faster, for instance, it's gonna radiate much faster, and we just see result here, and it's quite convenient. So doing that, you just can have your app running, and in the next videos we're gonna move to the details of this React app and work on the other details of the classical React applications. Bye, happy coding, bye.